Adding measurable metrics in your resume. Measurable metrics in a resume aren't just preferred, they're essential. Yet, a mere 26% of resumes boast 5 or more instances of such quantifiable achievements. This scarcity is noteworthy, given that tangible outcomes not only demonstrate your value, but also set you apart from the crowd. For instance, Google's recruiters endorse the XYZ formula for crafting resume points, emphasizing the need for measurable results to articulate your accomplishments clearly. Why the emphasis on metrics? They provide a concrete evaluation of your contributions. Consider the difference between simply stating responsibilities and presenting clear outcomes, such as a 17% increase in quarterly sales due to a strategic campaign you designed. Metrics transform your resume from a list of duties to a showcase of achievements, offering a clear picture of your impact. However, it's crucial to recognize that metrics extend beyond just sales figures or revenue. They can encompass scope, the scale of projects you've managed; efficiency, how you've streamlined processes or saved time; quantity, the volume of work you've produced; and the influence of your work on others, such as how your designs boosted marketing campaign success. These dimensions offer a holistic view of your professional prowess. Key takeaway: elevating your resume with quantifiable achievements is a strategic move to stand out. Whether it's through showcasing project scopes, efficiency improvements, or leveraging your work's impact on teams, tangible metrics make a difference. To assist in this endeavor, CareerSupermatch.com offers tools and guidance to help you refine your resume bullets, ensuring your achievements are not only visible but compellingly presented.